Alright, so for the Maurice's black market vending machine, it's on Desolation's Edge. And you're gonna wanna come right over here to this Malawan camp. And as you go up the stairs over here, kill the guys over here, go up here. And the vending machine is right on this little thingy on the edge of the map. So we're gonna head there now. So we take a car, drive there, and then we're gonna get the Maurice's black market vending machine. Yeah, maybe using a snow drift is gonna help. Yeah. I don't even need mindfulness stacks. Okay, it's not over here, it's over there. Oh, it doesn't even show on the map, so it's above the area over here with the Necrotafeia creatures. But here's the Maurice's black market vending machine on the map. And inside is the Quadomizer, boring gun, and transformer. Why? Garbage, kinda.